The iPhone SE 4 is shaping up to be one of the most interesting budget iPhones yet, and if the latest leaks are anything to go by, we're in for some big changes. With rumors pointing to an April 2025 launch, leaker Majin Buu just dropped some side-by-side comparison images of an SE 4 product dummy next to the upcoming iPhone 16, giving us our clearest look yet at how these two stack up. At first glance, the SE 4 and iPhone 16 look pretty similar, but there are a few key differences. The iPhone 16 has a smoother, more rounded frame, following Apple's recent design language for that premium, seamless look. Meanwhile, the SE 4 sticks with sharper edges, likely because it's rumored to reuse the iPhone 14 chassis. That means a slight boxy, no-nonsense design, which some users might actually prefer. Leaked dimensions suggest the iPhone SE 4 will be roughly 145mm tall, 70mm wide, and 7mm thick, making it just a touch smaller than the iPhone 16. But here's the big news: no more Touch ID or Home button. This time, the SE lineup is finally moving to Face ID with slimmer bezels, giving it a more modern, all-screen look. One thing that's catching everyone's eye is the rear camera module. The SE 4 rocks a single camera setup, but the bump looks pretty hefty in the dummy images. That said, these dummies are mainly used by case makers, so the final design might be a little different. Fingers crossed for a more streamlined camera housing. Performance-wise, the SE 4 could be a beast. Rumors suggest it'll pack in an 18-chip and 8 gigs of RAM, putting it on par with the iPhone 16, a huge step up for the SE series. That also means the SE 4 might support Apple Intelligence features, which could justify a slight price bump. So, what do you think about the iPhone SE 4's design? Loving the fresh look, or are you gonna miss the old-school Touch ID? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.